Hey, my sweethearts. Miss Mehle here. You guys see that I am in our virtual classroom. Um, I'm gonna spruce it up a little bit, um, but I wanted to show you guys something that is a very good feature to use down here at the bottom. I think I showed it to you earlier in the year, but I wanted to show it to you again. um, there's this little black area at the bottom of Moodle that it has several different things here. Student support, links for students, um, and the one I want you guys to look at is under student support. It is Smart Thinking Online Tutoring. Um, you will eventually be able to get to a screen that looks something like this. And Smart Thinking will give you a couple different options. One of them, you can work with a tutor. Um, that's your virtual Miss Tamara, um, or whoever you may see in the tutoring center. Um, the That's if you want to chat. If you're stuck, you need some help with maybe getting going with the assignment. The other one is a place where you can go to submit your writing documents. Uh, you can submit it. You can just follow the guidelines for what it is. This is like a proofreading. Um, or like a suggestion. I believe they annotate it. I actually do have a friend who does this. You can just submit a question like, um, my teacher marked passive voice. What's passive voice? So that's something that you can do. So this is just where you go to the welcome thing. You can get very specific. Most of the time, I think this screen will suffice with what you need. But there are some things that are kind of neat. There's a thing here where you can get a little bit of writing practice in. You can use some study aids. The study aids, I've mentioned them before, and there is one that I really like. That is the writer's handbook. Um, the This one is it's a basic grammar thing. And it gives you some perspective on some of the things that I ask you to do. Like if you haven't done your lyric analysis, you may want to look at lesson 12. So it has things in here as well about you doing research, you drafting your essay, then it's got the grammar things, so it's a really good resource. The other one that I may suggest to you is the Career Writer's Handbook, where this talks about resumes and cover letters and things that you may end up doing to get a job. Smart Thinking is also very good for kind of being a career resource. So I just wanted you guys to know that's there, to know that if you can't get to Miss Tamara in the tutoring in Tarboro, that the Smart Thinking online tutoring is there for you. So I hope that was very helpful. Another thing I'll share with you, I believe, if you do want to see Miss Tamara, if you say I just I would feel better just having Miss Tamara take a look at this. If you click on the tutoring center link, of course, it's not going to want to work for me right now. Sometimes it's just easier to maybe this is what I needed to do to get it to work. You maybe just need to go to the college's homepage, and we see there's a lot of our things there. We go to the student portal, We go to tutoring, and this will take you to a page that is our tutoring center page. You can't just pop in over there and and say I need some help. You need to make an appointment. Um, so it is basically just a Google form that lets them know you're coming, and it lets them know when you're coming, so they kind of know to expect you. So I wanted you guys to just be aware that there are still things out here that can help you. And just letting you know that I really do miss you guys. I really, really do. I'm talking to y'all when I should be talking to my well, I guess they would be out of class, so it's okay for me to be talking to you guys. So hopefully this video will work pretty well. And y'all know if you need me for anything, just please don't hesitate to let me know. Hope this helped. I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.